Kilalanin natin ang top draft prospect para sa PBA 50th season draft. Top 10, Kobe Paras, not yet confirmed, 6'6", 200 pounds, 27 years old, 5.3 points, 0.9 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.7 steals, 0.5 blocks, 35% three-point shooter, 59% free throw shooter in his 2022-2023 Japan B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga kaunting basketball highlights ni Kobe Paras kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na player dati. Top 9, Terdy Ravenna, not yet confirmed, 6'2", 213 pounds, 28 years old, 12.6 points, 4.9 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 1 steal, 26% three-point shooter, 74% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Japan B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang kaunting basketball highlights ni Terdy sa JBL kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 8, JD Kagulangan, not yet confirmed, 5'9", 160 pounds, 25 years old, 6.8 points, 2.4 rebounds, 4 assists, 1.6 steals, 26% three-point shooter, 71% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Korean B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni Kagulangan sa KBL kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na player. Top 7, Jason Brickman, confirmed draftee, 6 feet, 165 pounds, 33 years old, 17.9 points, 6.3 rebounds, 12.7 assists, 2 steals, 45% three-point shooter, 86% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Taiwan TPBL season averages. Panoorin natin ang kaunting basketball highlights ni Jason Brickman kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player sa overseas. Top 6, Renz Abando, not yet confirmed, 6'2", 157 pounds, 27 years old, 6.6 points, 3 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 1 steal, 1.6 blocks, 47% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2024 43rd William Jones Cup averages. Panoorin natin ang pinaka-latest na basketball highlights ni Air Abando sa SGA stint niya kung talagang magaling na nga ba siya sa kanyang naging injury dati. Top 5, Mike Phillips, not yet confirmed, 6'8", 220 pounds, 23 years old, 15.5 points, 11.5 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 1.7 steals, 1.5 blocks, 50 field goal percentage, 60% free throw shooter in his UAAP 87th season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni Mike Phillips sa UAAP. Top 4, DJ Finner, confirmed draftee, 6'6", 215 pounds, 31 years old, 13.8 points, 4.2 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 1.5 steals, 0.2 blocks, 40% three-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Holland DBL season averages.
Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ng Phil Canadian na si DJ Fener kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na player. Top 3. Kentin Milora Brown. Option niyang magpa-draft sa PBA.
6'10", 245 pounds, 24 years old, 8.6 points, 9.4 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 1 steal, 1.3 blocks, 50 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his UAAP 87th season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni QMB kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na player. Top 2, Dwight Ramos, not yet confirmed, 6'4", 210 pounds, 26 years old, 11.6 points, 2.7 rebounds, 1.8 assists, 0.7 steals, 36% three-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Japan B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni St. Dwight sa JBL kung gaano na nga ba siya kagaling na player ngayon. Top 1, Remy Martin. Option niyang magpa-draft sa PBA. 6 feet, 175 pounds, 27 years old, 25.8 points, 4.5 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 1.7 steals, 37% three-point shooter, 76% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Iceland Express League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best game highlights ng PhilAm na si Remy Martin kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na player. Ito ang mga top draft prospects para sa upcoming PBA 50th season draft. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, sino pa ang magko-confirm sa mga ito na magpapadraft ngayong PBA 50th draft? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.